Hey guys, it's Brian. We're back here in the Frostbite JL, and we are off-roading again today. We're out at Lasfit. We were going to go snow wheeling today, but it was such a nice day we decided to head out to Oregon. It's the maiden voyage of the 513s, so we're going to go ahead and see how they do on the trail today. Alright guys, here we go. Alright guys, here we go. This is going to be the start of 803 out here at Lasfit. This is actually going to be part 2 of our recent trip out there. We're out here with Kevin and his XJ, and Christina and Charles in their red XJ. We also have a Samurai and a Tacoma on some 38s tagging along. Let's go ahead and check it out. If you take it slow, Kev, I'll run up and film you.
Okay. The new bypass kind of halfway down here before the big rocks also.
Talking just up here on the right.
20, 30 feet in front of me.
To the left or right?
The kind of dirt hill directly to the right of me.
I was gonna say that might almost be worse. Yeah. Tried? Yeah, you always break stuff, so I don't know if I'm gonna listen to you. Yeah. After failing to get up that bypass, I decided to back up and watch Kevin get after it in the big rocks here.
There you go. Yeah. Now you got another one that's going to pop you a little bit to the side over here on your passenger. You just kissed it. There you go. Beautiful. That's perfect, dude. That was awesome. Same thing.
It was fun watching the guys get after in that section. That's actually where I destroyed my rear factory drive shaft last year. Definitely a fun little section. Let's go ahead and head on up to the next one. Things were getting a little too hot in that Samurai, so the guys had to go ahead and take the doors off. Their AC actually broke on the way out to the trail that day, so they threw the doors in the back of the Tacoma, and we're going to keep on rolling.
You guys good?
It ended up being an awesome day out there at Ladi. I was pretty happy with the new axle setup. I do have it all hooked up to that Lasfit switch panel there, so you can pop on the rear and front lockers really easy. You just hit that rear locker when you're all done and it pops both of them off. Super convenient. Alright, let's get after it here and finish up 803. That's going to do it for 803. We're going to go ahead and head on over to another trail section to finish up the day. As you guys can tell, there was quite a big fire here a couple of years ago that kind of shut down the whole area. I'm glad it didn't destroy all the trails.
Alright, let's do this.
Right there, yeah. Yeah, I mean, they're definitely bigger. After running that little mud section, I wanted to go ahead and compare tires to that Tacoma. Those 38s are a decent amount bigger. I think I want to go bigger though in the future. Alright, let's go ahead and run this little section of 802 and finish up the day. Okay guys, that's gonna do it for our day out here at La D. We had a great time, came out here with Kevin and his XJ, and Charles and his girlfriend Christina and her XJ. Met up with the guy with the Samurai and Tacoma. That was pretty cool to see. We ran 800 and 803. We had a good time. Nobody broke anything, so that's always a good day. All right guys, see you on the next one.